The NV350 and NV700 are among TDK Lambda's most successful modular power supplies. Since these power supplies are constructed from stocked building blocks consisting of selectable output modules and mainframes, they can be quickly assembled, tested, and shipped. Selected modules are simply fitted into the metal mainframe. Thousands of output voltage and current combinations can be accommodated. These field-proven NV building blocks ensure the end user that their configuration will be delivered on time and will operate 100% to specifications. By comparison, custom power supplies are risky, expensive, and subject to schedule delays. The NV700 is rated at 700 watts with a nominal 115 volts AC input voltage. However, with an input voltage of greater than 150 volts AC, example 220 volts AC, it can provide up to 1150 watts continuously. Furthermore, with an input voltage of 150 volts AC or greater, the NV700 can provide peak output power ratings of up to 2 times normal, or up to 1450 watts for 10 seconds. These power supplies can fit into 1U enclosures since they are only 1.6 inches high. The main frame of the NV series of modular power supplies consists of the metal chassis and the front-end PC board section that contains the AC input connector, EMI filter, input rectifiers, PFC circuits, switching MOSFETs, and interface connectors for the output and signal modules to mate with. The function of the power supply's front-end section is to convert the AC input power into a high voltage DC bus at 360 volts. That in turn powers an assortment of output modules to suit the needs of the customer. The output modules are DC to DC converters that operate off the 360 volts DC bus and produce regulated low voltage outputs that range from 3.2 volts to 52.8 volts to suit the customer's needs. All mainframes and modules that comprise the NV series are safety agency certified so that any combination can be quickly assembled and will fully meet the safety agency's specifications. Available safety certifications for the NV series include EN and UL 60950-1 for information technology and industrial equipment, EN and UL 61010-1 for test and measurement equipment, EN and UL 60601-1 for medical equipment. DC output and primary option modules. Now let's review the available output and primary option modules that are available for use within the NV700 power supplies. There are 8 module width slots available in the NV700 mainframe. There are a number of single output modules with different voltage and current ratings available for the NV700. These include the B modules up to 200 watts and BH modules up to 238 watts that take up 2 module slots. The C modules up to 450 watts are 3 slots wide and include a microprocessor to increase its power density, performance, and reliability. The CC modules from 700 watts up to 900 watts use 6 slots of space. For special voltages, each module has a wide adjustment range. Any combination of output modules can be used as long as they fit within the NV700 8-slot mainframe. The DA dual output module takes up only 1 slot and provides plus and minus 12 volt outputs at up to 48 watts total. Higher power dual output modules are available with various volts and amps ratings at up to 228 watts to meet the customer's needs. For special output voltages, these modules have adjustable outputs. Each of these modules require 2 module slots of space. Primary option modules. A number of combinations of signals, controls, and standby voltages are available in the form of a one-slot wide primary option module. This chart shows the various combinations that are available. Here's a summary of the features and benefits of the innovative NV series. Short lead times, no minimum order quantities, no waiting time and fees for safety agency certifications, no custom design risks and NRE fees, no minimum loads, thousands of output voltage and current combinations, wide output voltage adjustment ranges, up to 90% efficient, universal AC input of 90 to 264 volts AC, active power factor correction for EN 61000-3-2, meets international EMI Class B specifications. Floating outputs can be series connected for higher output voltages. Up to 8 DC outputs. Peak power ratings up to 1450 watts. 100% RoHS compliant. Rugged construction meets MIL standard 810 shock and vibration specification. Internal fan cooled or forced air cooling provided by the user. Selectable AC input screw terminals or IEC type connector. TDK Lambda has an online NV power supply configurator on our website to make it very easy for our customers to specify their exact power supply requirements. The web address for the NV configurator is shown on your screen. Here's a sample screenshot of the NV configurator, where the user has entered their required output voltages and currents, and other options such as an enclosed case, internal fans, AC good signal, etc. After inputting the required information on the web page, the user simply clicks the Configure button and the software automatically selects the necessary NV mainframe, output modules, and options. Then, the user clicks the button marked Product Code and the following page will appear on the screen. This web page can be printed out or sent to TDK Lambda Americas for speedy processing of a quotation or for order entry. If you need help with this process, please contact our tech support department and they will help you or do this for you. Full specifications for the NV350 and NV700 series are available at the web link shown here. For more information about the TDK Lambda's wide range of AC to DC power supplies and DC to DC converters, please call us at 1-800-LAMDA4 or visit our website.